So I showed you how to create folders, and now I'm going to show you how to use tags. So you think of folders as a way to organize your feeds, and your feeds have multiple stories and are always coming up with new stories. For example, the New York Times homepage was just continually adding stories to their homepage. So what a tag is you can tag an individual story with like a keyword or something like that. So let me give you an example. I'm just going to go to my how-to folder, which is only Expert Village videos right now. And you can see this first one up here is new parenting video series posted, Guide to Baby Safe Toys. Now, instead of like maybe just starring this because I knew I wanted to read it later, one way to be able to access it really easily later would be to tag it. So here's how I do that. I go down here to the bottom of the story and click the Edit Tags link, and then you can see it comes up. Because it's in the how-to folder, you see that right there. But I just want to type out a new tag. Because this is about parenting, that's what I'll tag it. And then I'll save it. So now you can see below my folders, my tag has popped up. So now, every time I see a story about parenting, I'll tag it. So that means I can tag stories from different feeds and put them all in one place because they're all about one thing. So if there's a story in the New York Times about parenting, I'll tag that, and then I'll have my Expert Village videos right next to my New York Times story, all right here in my parenting tag. So that's how you use tags, and it's just like another level of organization. And I think, like I said, the easiest way to think of it is folders organize your feeds and tags organize stories. And if you take the time to actually go ahead and tag everything that you really like and put things in folders, you can really get all this information organized really well and be able to reference it later. And that's pretty much what tagging is all about, I think, is being able to easily reference something later and kind of put it in a category. So that's how you tag stories in Google Reader.